today I'm gonna make how to make some rice slime. We got a rice. It's inside. You see it? We need definitely glue and Arya, and we need some spoon, ball pen, or any kind of fork. And this is our container. So now let's first step. I don't need to put up steps. First, you need to pour out your gloopy glue. That's enough. Alright. Now I'm gonna shake the glue a little bit, so do some time. And that's there. Oh my god. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for glue. Now you gotta shake like my slime. I'm gonna be making a regular slime. I'll just add all of this entire. So slimy. A little bit slimy, but it's not very. That's not ready. You know what? I'm gonna put a lot of activator soda so it will make some slime. And oh my god, I will make this quicker as egg because I'm too lazy. But I'm happy to make some slime. I'll just need to shake it and I'll put the rice. So now I make a slime already. Excuse me, stupid. Oh, it's not ready. God. I wish it could be quicker. So I'm done already, like making the slimes. The slimes. Now I'm gonna put your rice. I put first a little bit of rice. Added some tiny rice. Oh, you know what? I'll just put it in here. Oh my god. It's turning like slime, guys. Wow, rice slime. It's even cooler. This is the current. Crunchy. It's so crunchy, like stretchy. If you make this, perfect. No, I hope you want a video. If you did, smash up. Just go. No, I'll break up and like, subscribe, and I'll subscribe. Bye, guys.